Hey guys, welcome back to another DeltaMath tutorial. Today we're going to be taking a look at basic exponent rules, focusing on division. We do have a separate video for problems like this that are multiplication or problems that relate to powers of exponents or exponents to exponents, as I like to call them. But today we're going to be specifically looking at problems that are like this one. 4 to the 7th over 4 squared. Now, it looks like a fraction right now, which it is. But we also want to remember that fractions are just division problems. That's really what's happening here, right? So let's try to figure it out. What do you think we do? Here's what I like to think. I bet you guys have already watched the multiplication video. And you saw that when we multiply numbers with exponents, we add those exponents together. And it's kind of weird, that disconnect between multiplication and adding. Well, do you think there's a similarity in division problems where if we added when we were multiplying, maybe we will subtract when we're dividing, right? If you thought that, you would be spot on. That's exactly what we do. Whenever we are dividing two of the same number that have exponents, such as we have here, they're both 4s, but with different exponents, those exponents will subtract. So let me write this out here. Realistically, we have 4 to the 7th divided by 4 squared. But the way I like to write it, the way I kind of see it in my head when I do these problems, is 4 to the 7 minus 2 power. I always just take each of those exponents and put a minus sign between them. It is important to make sure that we take the number on the top of the fraction, meaning the 7 exponent that's on the top, and put it as the first number in our subtraction problem. Otherwise, we're going to get a negative number, and that's not going to be good. It's a whole mess. But as long as we order that correctly, this is a foolproof process. 7 minus 2 is 5, right? So 4 to the 5th. And that's all there is to it. As long as you take that number in the top, the exponent in the top of the fraction, and subtract the number in the bottom of the fraction from it, you will have a correct exponent and a correct simplified answer to your problem. Now, the 4 stays the same because that's our base number, but I'm going to go ahead and type in 5 here as our exponent for it. Okay, so I'm going to take down my screen writing real quick. We're going to check our answer as we always do. While I'm getting this typed in and checked, please do be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you have not already. That really does help me out. And let's see. Hey, we got that one right. Perfect. So just that little bit of subtraction will help you out a lot on these problems. If you have any questions about anything we went over in the video today, or have any problems that you're stuck on that you may need help with, please feel free to leave those in the comments below. But thanks for watching, and I will see you in another DeltaMath tutorial.